In this upcoming video, I'm going to be showcasing the new technology from GTI, a new Bluetooth accelerometer for our iPad vibration system. Welcome to GTI, where we're changing predictive technology. My name is Tom Honig. We're here today to talk about a brand new technology that we're releasing for 2016, and that is the Bluetooth accelerometer I have here in front of you attached to this shaker. But before I get into that, we have had on the market a little over a year now the two-channel wireless accelerometer. Well, what's the difference between these two units? The two-channel wireless accelerometer was built to use the second channel for wireless balancing, phase analysis. You can hook another accelerometer to this, and we even have a temperature probe non-contact that connects to this for use. And it became very, very popular compared to a wired version because there's no sacrifice at all between a wireless version of our accelerometer to a traditional cabled ICP accelerometer. So hard to get to areas, closed machine doors, all those areas that we couldn't reach before, or safety hazardous areas were very, very easy to use with this device. So we've come up with a Bluetooth because the original accelerometer needed a receiver to connect to the iPad, which would be mounted on the back of the iPad and nobody were to see, but it didn't allow us to be able to use an intrinsic explosive proof case, which now this pairs by itself. You do not have to pair it ahead of time, and it connects directly to the iPad, and you can put your iPad in an intrinsic explosive proof case. Okay, getting into the specifications of this unit, but just before I get into that, I want to talk about the three types of people that are using the GTI VibePro system. That is the beginner, the novice, and the expert. Because a beginner can use this with just a few hours of training. He can measure, set up a hierarchy, measure all his different asset points throughout his factory, and then at the end of the day he can send that database up to the cloud, and experts can view that, and all the thresholds are preset, so we show in green, yellow, and red what condition their assets points are in within ISO specifications or preset thresholds. So it makes it very easy for the beginner. Second, the novice can explore and get into phase analysis, different type of plots and orbits, and all kinds of different tools that are part of our different suites of apps, which runs into experts that are using this, that have been using $40,000 and $50,000 pieces of equipment, can use the GTI system and expect to get all the different attributes that come with those very expensive systems all on one platform, as well as add thermography, balancing, and all the other tools that we offer on this platform. But specifically to this Bluetooth wireless accelerometer, which now can be entered into hazardous areas. It's very, very easy to start up. You simply wave your magnet in front of the GTI logo and it's started. And I'll demonstrate on this 1G shaker. I'll turn it on, and immediately it starts streaming data to the app. There's no pairing necessary at all. And if you can see here, and Tim will project behind me, I get a full spectrum and a full waveform right on the front screen where I can use cursors and do all kinds of different things. And again, this has a full hierarchy. After I'm done collecting data with this, I can send it up to the web app for further post-processing. So very, very complete unit, very, very, very simple to use. So as we look a little closer at the specifications of this unit, number one, it has 32-bit processor on board, which helps us with anti-aliasing we can do. It also samples at a full 25 kilohertz and 3200 lines of resolution, so it's not an entry-level device. Remember, it's not a MEMS sensor. It is a true piezoelectric sensor that will compete with anything with a cable. Now, if you want further details and specifications of this unit, we encourage you to either go to www.gtipredictive.com or call one of our sales engineers and we'll walk you through all the different tools from GTI. But remember, this will be the first of its kind anywhere, the first Bluetooth accelerometer for data trending and vibration analysis. I thank you for your attention.